The grid view presents your data in a clear, organized table, much like what you are used to in spreadsheets. It allows you to seamlessly visualize and manipulate your information within Baserow. This guide will learn you how to create a new grid view, adding, modifying and deleting records, filtering and sorting records, importing and exporting the view. To create a new view, you first need to select the table you want to work with. Next, open the Views menu and select a new grid view. Give your grid view a descriptive name like Long Episodes. You can choose for a collaborative view, which allows other users to access it, or a personal view that's exclusively yours. To organize your views, simply drag and drop them within the menu to reorder them according to your preference. Your data is presented in a tabular format, just like a spreadsheet. The rows, often referred to as records, contain individual entries, while the columns, also known as fields, categorize and organize the information. You can navigate through the rows and columns using the arrows key. You can also hold the Shift button to select multiple rows or columns and copy-paste the data in other applications. Modifying records is simple. Just click on a cell within the table and start typing to make changes directly. Alternatively, you can click next to a record to open the Detail panel. Changes are stored after leaving the field or closing the panel. Click on the empty line at the bottom to add a new record. You can now type or select the desired data for every field. Additionally, data can be copied and pasted from other records. Baserow will automatically add the number of required new lines. To delete the record, right-click on any field of the record and select Delete Row. Be aware that any changes to a record will be reflected in all the views of the table, not only in your newly created view. It is good practice to sort your records. This can be done on one or multiple fields, both in ascending or descending order. Most views have one or more filters. A filter consists of one or multiple conditions that needs to be met. A filter group is useful when you need more complex filters that combine and with or conditions. With the use of colors, you mark certain records to stand out. Both the left border and the background can get a color based on either a single select field or a condition. Unlike the manipulation of records, actions like sorting, filtering and coloring rows are specific for the current view and will not affect any other views of your table. The grid view not only allows to manipulate records, but also fields. You can resize them with your mouse or reorder them with drag and drop. An alternative is reordering them with the Hide Fields menu. This menu also allows to hide certain fields when you find them not relevant for the view. Hiding and reordering columns are actions that are specific for the current view and will not affect other views of the table. Click the three dots next to the name of the view. You notice the option to export the view to a CSV, JSON or XML format. It is also possible to import existing data. This allows you to easily transfer your data to other tables or platforms. At the bottom, you can summarize your data. The available functions depend on the data type of the field and the results are calculated only for the filtered records. Finally, share your view with others by making it publicly available. Everyone with the link will be able to see your data but won't be able to make any changes to it. Optionally, protect the public view with a password. The grid view in Baserow provides a user-friendly and efficient way to manage and manipulate data. With its familiar tabular format, users can easily create and customize views to suit their needs. From creating new views and modifying records to sorting, filtering and coloring rows, the grid view offers a comprehensive set of features for data organization and analysis.